Namaste. Today we are going to learn about some of the measures of exterior angles of a polygon. We have checked the exterior angles of a triangle and a quadrilateral in the previous exercise, and we got it is 360 for each case. That is, for triangle also you got the exterior angle is 360, and for quadrilateral also you got the sum of exterior angle is 360. Yes, that is, sum of the measures of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. Now, if a regular polygon is given and if an exterior angle is given, you can say number of sides of regular polygon is equal to, that is, total sum of exterior angle is 360 degree by one exterior angle. This is in the case of regular polygon. Remember, it is a regular polygon. We know in a regular polygon all the angles are equal, and if all the interior angles are equal, the exterior angle so formed will also be equal, because here forms the linear pair. If this is equal to this angle, their linear pairs will also be equal. That is, exterior angles will also be equal, because here the angles are equal. Inside the angles are equal, and the linear pair formed will also be equal. That is 180 minus this. If this is A, this is also A. So the exterior angle will be 180 minus A and 180 minus A. Both are equal. So each exterior angle will also be equal in regular polygon. So if one exterior angle is given, we can find the number of sides by, we know total sum of exterior angle is 360. So 360 by one exterior angle, you will get number of sides. This we have to apply in the problems. That is why I mentioned here. Next, coming to exercise 3.2, find the x in the following figures. Here we have the exterior angles, and x is also in the exterior. We know exterior angle sum of any polygon is 360. So here we will write 125 plus 125, all are exterior angles, plus x is equal to 360. That is exterior angle sum property, exterior angle sum. Now 125 plus 125 is 250 plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 250. That is equal to 110. 110 degree is the x here. It is in the exterior. So we know exterior angle sum is 360. Now this is the next figure. Here we have to find the exterior angle here, x. So here we have 60 in the exterior, 70 in the exterior. Here this is given 90. That is why the angle is drawn like this. So 90 plus, how many exterior angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are here. So in that, this is 90. If in the interior it is 90, we can say this is 180 minus this 90. That is linear pair. So this is also 90. So 290 angles are here in the exterior plus x equal to the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So we will write 360. Now 60 plus 70 plus 90 plus 90 is 310 plus x equal to 360 degree. Now to find x, 360 here in RHS. Now taking this 310 to RHS, it becomes minus 310. 360 minus 310, it is 50. So we got the value of x is 50. Next, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. It is given regular polygon. That is, it will be equilateral and equiangular. First, 9-sided regular polygon. We want to find each exterior angle. All the exterior angle will be equal in regular polygon. That is, all interior angles are equal. Both exterior angles are also equal in regular polygon. So it is 9-sided regular polygon. We know sum of exterior angle of any polygon, any sided polygon is 360. So this is the sum. You have to find each angle. So to find each angle, number of sides is given. So you can say it is 360 is the sum by number of sides, that is 9. Then we will get each angle in exterior. So 360 by 9 is 40. So for a 9-sided regular polygon, each exterior angle will be 40. Next, 15-sided polygon. 15 sides are there. We know total sum of exterior angle is 360 of all polygons. So 360 is the sum, and to find each exterior angle, we have to divide, that is 360 angle is the total sum by number of sides is 15, and you will get each angle. 360 division 15 is 24 degree. In a 15-sided polygon, each exterior angle, if it is regular, exterior angle will be 24 degree. Each angle will be 24 degree. Next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24? Here in the question it is given each exterior angle is 24. It is a regular polygon. So we have to find number of sides of regular polygon. We don't know number of sides. We know the sum of exterior angle is 360 and each exterior angle is 24. So number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angle by each exterior angle. That is 360 by 24 is 15. That is number of sides is 15. Next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? So we have to find number of sides of regular polygon. If it was exterior angle, it was easy for us to find. That is 360 by exterior angle is number of sides in a regular polygon. But here it is given interior angle. From that you have to find the exterior angle. If each interior angle is 165, we know interior angle of a polygon and exterior angle of a polygon have a relation, that is linear pairs. If this is interior, this is the exterior, that is linear pair. So to get exterior angle, you have to subtract this interior angle from 180. Then you will get the exterior angle. So here it is given interior angle. So to find exterior angle, 180 minus this given interior angle, that is linear pair. Each exterior and interior angles are linear pairs. So you will get 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. This is the exterior angle. So in a regular polygon, each exterior angle is 15 degree. So we have sum of exterior angle, that is 360, and each exterior angle is 50. From that you can find number of sides, that is number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angle by each exterior angle. That is 360 division 15 is the number of sides. 360 division 15 is 24. 24 sides are there. How will you cut 360 by 15? I will show you. In 360 and 15, we have 5 as the common factor. 5 3s are 15. In 36, 7 5s are 35. Balance is 1. This is 10. 5 2s are 10. Now in 3 and 72, 3 is a common factor. 3 1s are 3. Here in 72, 3 2s are 6. In 7, balance 1. This becomes 12. 3 4s are 12. 24 by 1, that is 24. 360 by 15 is 24. So number of sides is 24 of this regular polygon. Next question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measurement each exterior angle is 22 degree? Exterior angle is 22. Is it possible to have a regular polygon? So we want to check number of sides. Number of sides we know in a regular polygon, sum of exterior angle is 360. By each exterior angle, you will get number of sides. 360 division 22. That is, here in 360 and 22, we can cut it with 2. 11 2s are 22. In 360, 1 2s are 2, balance 1, 8 2s are 16. Now carry this 0. 180 by 11. Here, the least fraction is 180 by 11. We can't cut it anymore. So, number of sides, we got a fraction. We don't have number of sides as fraction. We have number of sides as a whole number. We can count it. This is a fraction. So, this is not possible to have 22 degree as exterior angle. That is why we got a fraction here as number of sides. Number of sides means it must be a whole number. Next, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? That is, can 22 degree be an interior angle of regular polygon? Interior angle is 22. Here we have regular polygon's interior angle. First we have to find the exterior angle from that. Then we have to do sum of the exterior angle division each exterior angle. Then you will get number of sides. So let us find first exterior angle. Exterior angle and interior angle are linear pair. To find the exterior angle, you have to subtract from 180. 180 minus 22 is 158. This is each exterior angle. Now we can find number of sides. Number of sides is equal to sum of the exterior angle is 360 by each exterior angle is 158. Now start cutting with 2. 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 9 2s are 18. Here in 360, 1 2s are 2, balance 1, 8 2s are 16. Carry this 0. 180 division 79. This is the least fraction. So number of sides again we got as a fraction. So this is not possible to have 158 is the exterior. That is 22 as the interior also. Number of sides is not a fraction. Number of sides we can count it. The sides we can count. It is not a fraction. So here this is not possible to have interior angle as 22. Next, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle means which is the least sided figure? It is the triangle. Polygon starts from triangle. With two sides we can't form a polygon because polygon must be closed. So while we close it, it forms a triangle and this is a regular triangle. And we want to check what is the minimum interior angle for this regular polygon. We know interior angle sum of a triangle is 180. Angle sum, interior angle sum is 180. So each angle will be equal to 180 division. Number of sides is 3. So 180 by 3, you will get each angle, that is 60 degree. So minimum angle in a regular polygon is 60. Next, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Now, in this case, this is the smallest polygon, a regular polygon too. And the exterior angle value, that is, we know 360 is the sum. And how many exterior angles are there? 3 angles are there. So, sum of exterior angles by number of sides. So, you will get the angle measurement here. That is 360 by 3 is 120. So, the exterior angles are 120. Or you can say in a regular polygon, smallest regular polygon, we have interior angle 60, maximum exterior angle. That is, this is the minimum interior angle. So, this will be the maximum exterior angle because they forms a linear pair. If this is the minimum value, this will be the maximum value. So, maximum exterior angle means it must be an equilateral triangle and we know the interior angle is 60. So, 180 minus 60, that is 120 is the maximum exterior angle formed in a regular polygon. That is, smallest regular polygon is the equilateral triangle. That is why we got minimum interior angle as 60 and maximum exterior angle as 120.